I'm discuss very new feature is called the recently changing this option will be if I'm sharing any video from Instagram to Facebook using for Creator Studio, DTB option will be changed here. The option will discuss right now. So here we are using for mobile phones or everything option will be there. Suppose if I'm sharing the video, mobile will be very comfortable by Instagram option. In your video will be sharing for using desktop also. No need any using for tools. There not any need by tools option. Instagram will supporting for 60-second video. That mean by less than 60 seconds. Facebook no certain limit. If using Creative Studio option, selecting Instagram. So when your page is accepting for Facebook page to Instagram, Instagram only posting for one Facebook page. That is will be connecting for Facebook page to Instagram account where it is called settings. In the option name is called Instagram. So your Facebook page will connect with your Instagram option. When connecting will be successful done, after that your content will be posting Instagram to Facebook using for Creative Studio option. Now we are selecting for post Instagram feed where your page will be there. Select the page and upload the video. Done your page. Post it and here I'm selecting page also. Careful to watch. I'm selecting for page also. Publish. Selecting for publish as. Now wait for the few seconds. The video going to process. After uploading done, the showing for video will be here. You have to wait for the certain seconds of the time. How to know that? Go to your Instagram account. Video will be added here. Check it on the few seconds. Yeah, video will be added. Now check. Video will be added. Now go to your Facebook page. Now scroll down. The video added or not, you can check it out. Not added. Email will be added, but video will be not added. That is called the changing for little bit new feature will be changing. The feature is called after uploading this video, select it, upload to Facebook. It is a new feature given by Instagram to share the video. Why? Because video publishing time we have to title, description, tags, compulsory, mandatory field. That is called we are changing for this option. Upload to Facebook. Open the total structure will be here. Wait for the seconds. Now this is the structure will be here. In this structure we are selecting for particular title, tags, compulsory, important. In this select your custom image. I'm selecting custom image here. Everything done. Now click for next. Video post, publish in a embedding option. You're selecting for any playlist will be here and publish it. This is a new feature will give you by any video will be posted on Instagram. They're not done by Facebook. After posting will be done on Instagram. Select the this video option, upload by Facebook, proper title, description, tags, thumbnail added in this particular Facebook option and upload and publish by the Facebook page. Now here, fraction of seconds you receive by the video will be particular Facebook page option. You have to give me the particular seconds, upload the video on the Facebook page option. Now you can see here, just few seconds. Now here, just now, upload the video. Is it clear? We can sharing for Instagram to Facebook. The image will be accepted, video will be not accepted. After upload the video, select the video, upload to Facebook with the proper title, description, tags, with the thumbnail to upload by the Facebook business page. one Instagram is accepting only one Facebook page option.